Okay guys, we're going to look at Clandestino today by Manu Chao. There's 3 parts. Mostly it's the intro, there's a slightly different rhythm to the verse and the chorus, but those two are the same rhythm, and then it's just looking at the chords. And we'll talk about how you can throw in little bass notes and stuff as well. So let's go cracking on with the rhythm and then we'll get into it. Okay, so the first one, we'll take an F sharp minor, because that's where a huge amount of the song revolves around. And the first rhythm for the intro, we're going to do basically a muted strum, and then we're going to do a down strum where we play the chord, but they're all quite staccato. Okay, then we do another muted strum, and then we do an up down. Okay? And that's what he does on the intro. He does that 4 times on an F sharp minor. And then it starts getting more into the rhythm, which is, we'll take the exact same chord. So for the verse rhythm, we're going to do a pick down, and then we do an up strum muted and a down strum muted. So it's 1, 2, and 3. And then we do up, down, up, playing the chord. So nice and slow, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and... Okay? As I said, the intro is just F sharp minor. The verse, we do 4 bars of F sharp minor. And then we come to a B minor, 2 bars of that. Then you come up to C sharp minor, and he plays 2 bars of that. Okay, and it goes around like that. I'm whistling because I don't speak Spanish. And the only other change that you can do is the bass line is going. So you can do that with your guitar if you like. And by picking out a bass note on the 3rd beat of the bar, you can alternate between the 2 and the A string and the E string and the A string for the F sharp. And then when you play the B minor, you can come back to the F sharp, do the same thing on the C sharp minor, and then this nice little bass run at the end, which is the 4th fret of the A, 2nd fret of the A, 5th fret of the E or open A, and then 4 on the bass, 2 on the bass, and you're back in. Okay, so that's a little variation you can do just to fill it up a bit more. Chorus, same rhythm, we just go between, we go B minor to F sharp minor. What is it? And then you do that 4 times. And after the last one, you can do a little bit of muting just to, again, break it up a little bit.